Hi, I am Tilagarani. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to discuss about basic program construction. Basic program construction means program construction is a process of building a program. This video writing, code, testing and debugging programs can be simple or complex. They can be used for a variety of purposes such as automating tasks, creating games or analyzing data. Understanding the basics. First, understand the basic concept of a program. These include variables, operators, and control flow statements. A variable stores a value that can change during the program's execution. Operators perform actions on data. Control flow statements control the order of execution. First one is variable. Variable are like containers that hold data. They allow you to store information that can be accessed and modified later. Operators. Operators perform calculations and comparisons on data. For example, the plus operator adds two numbers together. Control flow. The control flow statements determine the order in which instructions are executed. Example include if-else statements and loops. Writing code. Code is written using a program language. There are many different programming languages, each with its own syntax and features. Popular choices include Python, Java, and JavaScript. Syntax. Syntax refers to the specific rules and structure of a programming language. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words with a specific meanings in programming language. Commands. Commands are used to explain the code and make it more readable. They are ignored by the computer. Testing and debugging. Testing ensures that your code works as expected. Debugging involves finding and fixing errors in our code. Testing and debugging are circular for building reliable programs. There are three types of errors. First one is syntax error, second one runtime error, third one logical errors. Debugging tools. Debuggers allows you to step through your code in line by line uh, to enter to inspect values and identify errors. Code structure and organization. Well structured code is easier to read, understand, and maintain. This is particularly important for larger programs. Modules. Modules are separate files that contain functions and classes that can be used in different parts of the program. Modules. Next one is function. Functions are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They can be called and reused multiple times throughout the program. Classes. Classes are blueprints for creating objects. Objects are instances of classes that contain data and methods. Next one is data structure. Data structure are used to organize and store data efficiently. Understand common data structure is circular for building effective programs. First one is array. Ordered collection of elements of the same data type. Linked list. Dynamic data structure where elements are linked together. Trees. Hierarchical data structure where elements are organized in a tree-like manner. Graphs. Data structure respecting relationship between elements. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that focuses on objects which are instances of classes. Object-oriented programming emphasizes modularity, reusability, and data encapsulation. First one is classes. Blueprints for creating objects. Object is nothing but instance of classes that contain data and methods. Inheritance, allowing new classes to inherit properties and methods from existing classes. Polymorphism, allowing objects of different classes to be treated in the same way. Algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions that involve specific problems. They are essential for efficient and effective program design. First one is searching. Algorithms for finding specific elements within a data structure. Sorting. Algorithms for arranging elements in a specific order. Graph traversal. Algorithms for exploring the connection within a graph. Common program concepts. Some concepts are common across many programming languages and paradigms. Understanding these will help you grasp and fundamentals of programming. Input and output. Input involves taking data from the user or other sources. Output involves displaying results or sending data to other programs. Error handling. Error handling involves catching and addressing errors that may occur during program execution. Data validation. Data validation ensures that the data stored by the user or received from external sources is valid and meet specific criteria. Best practices. Following best practices leads to more readable, maintainable, and efficient code. Good coding practices are important for both individual project and collaborative projects. Code readability. Write code that is easy to understand and follow the both others. Testing and debugging. Thoroughly test our code and use debugging tools to identify and fix errors. Collaboration. Collaborate with other programmers and share our code to learn for each other. Thank you.